Alright, YouTube. Here we are in the wild. Do you think nature is going to be versus nurture? And who will win? We got these birds eyeing something down. What do you think it is? 3, 2, 1. It is all... Hang on, let my camera focus. There we go. All those turtles sitting over there. Look at all those turtles. Those birds are thinking they got an easy, yummy snack. They got tons of turtles just waiting to be eaten. What do you think they're going to do? Hang on, let me find them again. Oh no, where'd they go? There they are. Nature versus nurture. Oh, look, he's taking a step. He's going to try it. Maybe he was just thirsty. Look at him drinking. How cute. Oh, he's going swimming towards the duck. Or toward the turtle, I mean. Guess we'll have to stay tuned. I'll let you guys know if it gets ugly out here.